I am new to these topics of cryptocurrencies. Any advice or strategy on participating in a particular cryptocurrency?
Sure, here it is. Do_bus_sure. D. Dyer. Do your own research. Oyutal. Only invest what you can afford to lose. Be patient. Unemotional. S. Secure your funds. Start small. Use a reputable exchange. Dwyer. Do your own research. Observe first the movements of the markets as a whole, and then deep down to your particular cryptocurrencies of interest. O. Oyutal. Only invest what you can afford to lose. Be patient. Don't aspire to be a day trader expecting profit day after day. It's wiser to familiarize yourself first on what will be the longer-term prospect of what you invest in. U. Be unemotional. Don't give in to FOMO or FUD. FOMO. Fear of missing out. FUD. Fear, uncertainty, and doubt. Secure your funds. Protect your passwords and passphrases. Keep your purchases in a safe wallet. Maybe keep most of it out of exchanges' custodial wallet addresses. IES, start small. Buy in chunks that you can easily track. Use a reputable exchange. Here are some specifics of those things mentioned. Start small. It is also related to only invest what you can afford to lose. Buy in chunks that you can easily track, for example, $100 per buy. When you buy in chunks, you can easily compute the profit or loss you make on each chunk. This is because you know the exact price you paid for each chunk, and you can easily calculate the difference between the purchase price and the selling price. You may sell first in, first out, or in such chunks that serve your motive most. It can help you stay disciplined. When you buy in chunks, you are less likely to overspend. This is because you have to stick to your budget, and you can't just buy as much as you want. It can help you diversify your portfolio. When you buy in chunks, you can buy different assets with different risk profiles. This will help you reduce your overall risk because you won't be putting all of your eggs in one basket. You may also class your portfolio as longer term, short term, and midway. For the shorter term ones, you may intend to take advantage of their volatility in order to gain a higher amount for investing in longer term coins. As related to Dyer. Do your own research. You have to see the macro view before diving into buying or selling a particular crypto. Technical analysis for a certain coin may not hold true because of foreseeing government, political, and trade events, economic data and indicators such as GDP growth, inflation, interest rates, and unemployment. Even astrological phenomena or alignments can be a turning point when whales are into observing them.
Some crypto exchange apps tend to throw away some historical data upon app updates. When the app is updated, the old data can be deleted to make room for the new data on the server. Here are some free sites that are more reliable and from where you will more complete overview. CoinGecko, TradingView, CryptoCompare, and CryptoBubbles look at the index to guide you on whether it's time to buy or sell. Generally, buy when the markets are down to available low prices. When almost everybody is fearful, you can get good prices for items that you know will survive long term. And when the greed index shoots up, it is a good time to sell items that you may like to let go. Check to see that such a global pattern is cascaded already to your exchange app. When the prices are high, it may be good for you to sell even your longer-term portfolio in cases that you know the prices will go down again as a correction. Then your proceed of sale may buy more of the same item upon price correction, or you may just take profit and buy the same volume back at lower price. Sometimes, about half of your portfolio is conducive for selling due to increased price, and the rest are down. It may be an opportunity to sell at such profitable prices to acquire bargain price items you like. In trading, the exchange used will have its charges and cuts, so it is wise to mentally compute if you will really gain after the exchange gets its fees. Each cryptocurrency can have different fee rates. Most influencers and technical analysis of bloggers are lagging. Their advices are old when you get to see them. Moreover, many of them exaggerate to get more views. They could be earning from views rather than from good investments made.